All right, a quick update on Cryptex Finance here. So CTX is starting to break down. It did not hold support from the last update. We're down below the 382. Let me go ahead and get this off of the chart. And just simply drawing a fib going from this low here, which if you've watched the channel here before, you know we're ignoring that scam wick off to the left there here. You can see we broke down below the 382. We're hitting the 0.5 right now as we speak. Getting a nice little bounce off of it at about 248. Any lower than 248, that puts in play the macro 236 at 207, down to about 190 to the 618, as you can see here. So big price to watch here. If we get a bounce here and we continue this momentum, what could play out is a move up. I got the wrong tool there. Which could play out would be a move up, as we've seen before. We're going to come back, hit the uptrend as resistance, and then that's the point where we just kind of fall off the table here. So that could be the case. So just be prepared for that here on CTX. If you're not extremely bullish on the project and you cannot hold through these drops, then maybe you're in the wrong game here. But as I keep saying lately, do not be selling on these drops. That is not financial advice. You do whatever you want. I take these opportunities on whatever I'm investing in, not to sell, but to add to my position at these lower targets here. So with that being said, any lower than that 248, then you are coming down, in my opinion, to the macro 236 at 207, 23% drop, and even as far as a 28% drop down to that 618 into this box area. And then maybe we hold support here and we'll see what happens at that point. Now, if you come down and this green box here does not hold and we fall lower than this green box, then that is going to end up breaking this higher low back here, breaking this macro market structure. And at that point, that's when you get these lower retracement levels, probably down to a 786 level, and we'll drop deeper than we expect here. So just keep that in mind and be aware of that here on Cryptex Finance. A lot of things are breaking down, in my opinion. I know it's hard to handle sometimes, but it's just the way the market goes sometimes. You got to be able to handle this stuff. Now, as for just going from today, how high can we go? First, let me point out we need to get back over on the macro scale. If we get a bounce at any point, we need to get back over the macro 382 here at 375 to be bullish once again. But like I said, you could come up here, get stuck, a little fake out, and then she just kind of falls off the table. So just caution that there. Now, as for how high CTX is going to go, I didn't check this time, but one time in the last couple updates I did check. They did add a little bit into circulation. It went from 830 million to 912 million. So I'm not sure if they added any lately. Hopefully they did not. But going from today, if this thing is going to break the previous high here on the Gemini chart up to the 1272 at $139 currently from this 262 level, then you are looking at a very decent, to make it just under $1 billion market cap on Cryptex Finance, about a 53x on your investment from today. And then, of course, if it comes down to that last defense price down here, in my opinion, to hold the market structure on the macro scale, then you can see that multiplier there is going to change into about a almost 67x if you believe Cryptex Finance is going to hit, we'll just say, near $1 billion market cap. So what are your thoughts on CTX? None of this is financial advice, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.